Hi, I am Amit from Nimble Foundation. Today I shall make another presentation on one-word substitutes. One-word substitutes, as we have already seen, are phrases and sentences which can be expressed by just one word. In today's presentation, we shall look at words which denote places. Now let us look at some examples of words denoting places. A residence for monks or priests is known as a monastery. A residence for nuns is a convent. A place where milk is converted into butter and cheese is a dairy. A place where bread and cakes are made is a bakery. A factory for manufacturing beer, a brewery. Where spirits and liquors are produced, a distillery. Now let us consider some more words denoting places. Where people may obtain food and refreshment, that place is a restaurant. The kitchen of a ship, a caboose. A house for the residence of students is a hostel. A place where books are kept is a library. Where government records are kept, archives. Where scientific experiments are conducted, a laboratory. Moving further, let us look at some more words which denote places. Where athletic exercises are performed, a gymnasium. A place for collection of dried plants, a herbarium. Where treasures, ammunition are hidden, a cache. A place for storing grain, a granary. An upper room immediately under the roof, a garret. Accommodation of soldiers, barracks. We are going to continue with some more words denoting places. A place where soldiers are quartered, a cantonment. A place where money is coined, a mint. Where astronomical observations are taken, an observatory. A place where fruits are grown, an orchard. A place where orphans are housed, an orphanage. A square courtyard bound by buildings, a quadrangle. Let us look at some more words denoting places. A place where water is collected and stored, a reservoir. A place frequented for reasons of pleasure, a resort. A place with gambling tables, a casino. A nursery where children are cared for while parents work is a creche. A covered stall at a fair, horse race, etc. is a booth. A place where ships are loaded and unloaded is known as a dock. Let us look at the final set of words which denote places. The sleeping rooms in a college are a dormitory. A refreshment hall in monasteries is a refectory. A school for infants and young children is a kindergarten. A small box in which tea is kept is a caddy. An underground place for storing wine is a cellar. A portable case for holding papers and drawings is known as a portfolio. Now we are going to continue this presentation and discuss more one-word substitutes and other aspects of grammar in another presentation. Until then, thanks for watching.